How to trade with the McGinley Dynamic Indicator. The McGinley Dynamic Indicator is a technical analysis tool that aims to solve the problem inherent in all moving averages, their reliance on fixed time periods. The McGinley Dynamic takes into account speed changes in the market. So, how does the McGinley Dynamic work? Unlike moving averages, which reflect price performance for the past periods but not for the current moment, the McGinley Dynamic can help you get a better understanding of where the market is moving now and do so in a timely and accurate manner. The McGinley Dynamic rapidly moves together with a changing market, automatically adjusting itself to new conditions. The indicator moves faster in bearish markets, as their consequences are usually more devastating for retail traders, and slower in bullish markets. How to set up the McGinley Dynamic Indicator on the IQ Option platform. First, click on the indicator's icon in the lower left corner of the chart, find Trend, and select McGinley Dynamic, or search for the indicator by its name. Use the default settings or adjust them according to your preference. You can modify the period by clicking the plus or minus signs. By clicking on the Source button, you can choose the source of the price, whether it will be the closing price, the opening price, the high, the low, or another price formula. After changing the settings, press Apply. Please note that the McGinley Dynamic should not be used on its own since it does not provide trading signals. Instead, it should complement other tools, for example, oscillators, volatility, and volume indicators. Don't miss the chance to more than double your deposit by using our special promo code IQ Option 11. The promo code IQ Option 11 will give you a 111% bonus for deposits starting from $10. You can use the promo code 3 times. The maximum bonus amount is $1,000. Find the link in the video description and follow the instructions to activate the promo code. The promo code IQ Option 11 is valid until 31st December. Don't waste time, use it now. Enjoy your trading.